There's a common misconception that women are easy to satisfy sexually.
The reality is, females often require more nuanced approaches in the bedroom than men.
While some women enjoy no-strings-attached intimacy, those seeking substantive connections tend to need extra care when it comes to arousal. What if I told you there's a deeper, more nuanced approach to spark a woman's desire?
Welcome to the Woman Signals, where curiosity meets connection.
Today, we're peeling back the layers, delving into the intricate art of arousal that goes way beyond the physical. Curious to find out how you can become the partner she craves in every way? Stick around as we decode the signals and explore the subtle nuances of female passion. But before we begin, if you just found out this channel, just subscribe to get dating advice for men every day.
Now let's dive in.
It all starts in her mind. To arouse a woman deeply, you have to appeal to her mind first.
Unlike men who can get turned on visually and physically, females are often more mental when it comes to sex.
They need an emotional connection and the right mental stimuli to even begin feeling sexual desire. While looks and status can grab attention, genuine arousal comes from how you make a woman feel about herself when she's with you. Your ability to understand her psychology and create the right emotional terrain leads to better sexuality. This is why mastering female arousal requires getting inside the female brain and learning what makes her tick. When you can resonate with her mindset and identity, it allows you to craft enticing sexual experiences for her. The power of buildup. If there's one phrase that sums up effective female arousal, it's buildup.
Women crave a gradual escalation of anticipation and desire.
This means taking intimacy from 0 to 100 over an extended period of time.
Quickies and wham bam thank you ma'am sex will leave most women unsatisfied. Even if she enjoys the physical act, she's unlikely to experience the intense arousal and euphoria she truly craves without sufficient buildup.
So how do you deliver the buildup women love? Let's explore some key steps.
Create emotional safety first. For women, emotions come before sex.
She won't feel safe being vulnerable in the bedroom unless you've created a foundation of emotional trust and security first.
This means establishing a genuine connection.
Show her you appreciate the whole person she is, her intellect, dreams, quirks, strengths, and vulnerabilities. When a woman feels seen and secure with you, it offers the safety needed for her sensual side to emerge. Effective priming sets the stage. There's an interesting psychological concept called effective priming. When someone is already in a happy, positive state, they associate even more positive qualities to stimuli around them. You can use effective priming to your advantage by nurturing a positive emotional environment with your partner daily and over time. This stages the set for your sexual experiences together. When a woman feels loved, respected, appreciated, and uplifted by the emotional terrain you construct, she'll already be primed to connect sex with those great feelings. This makes it far easier to inspire the peak arousal and satisfaction she craves.
The takeaway. Women are sensory creatures.
How you make your partner feel emotionally long before the clothes come off is crucial.
When you prime her mind effectively, you're not starting from 0 each time.
You're building on a strong foundation of positivity you develop together over time.
This involves ongoing, genuine effort, not just a one-time thing.
But the rewards for this emotional intelligence and care are huge. You become that rare man who truly grasps how to make a woman feel extraordinary in body, heart, and mind during sex.
Other mental keys for arousing women.
Now that you understand the importance of emotional connection and strategic buildup, let's explore some other mental factors that ignite women's desire.
Cultivate confidence.
A woman wants a man with quiet confidence in the bedroom, someone who knows how to take charge while still making her feel comfortable.
She craves an escape from daily stresses in your arms.
Build her confidence in you by being thoughtful but decisive when intimacy heats up. Use your imagination. Since women are imaginative by nature, a roving, creative mind can turn them on. Share sexy stories, fantasies, and vivid mental imagery with her. Describe in detail all the ways you want to please her. This erotic buildup gets her mind racing with excitement well before the main event. Slow it down. A steady, unrushed pace allows a woman's arousal to simmer. Avoid treating sex like a task to complete and instead savor every moment. Let tension and anticipation grow through intimate touching, kissing, and teasing. Her imagination will fill in the blanks about what's to come. Pay attention to her cues. Tune into a woman's nonverbal cues about what's exciting her: moans, motions, breathing patterns. Adjust your approach based on the feedback her body is giving you. Showing this attentiveness and care for her specific desires helps get her mind fully absorbed in the erotic experience. Prioritize foreplay. Don't skip foreplay. Most women need plenty to become fully aroused. Spend time focusing just on her pleasure initially. The more aroused she becomes mentally and physically before sex even begins, the more intense her eventual orgasm is likely to be. Physical techniques that complement the mental approach. Once you've set the right emotional and mental stage, the physical part becomes much easier. Here are some techniques to complement the mental arousal process. Take it slow with touch. Start very soft and gentle, then gradually increase pressure and speed of touch as her arousal builds. Light, sensual strokes along her body will awaken her nerve endings and prepare for more direct sensation. Tease her erogenous zones. Linger over highly sensitive areas like the neck, breasts, inner thighs, and clitoris. Circle these zones lightly, then pull back to extend anticipation. Return to them later and her whole body will already be buzzing with sensitivity. Focus on non-sexual areas first. Run your hands along less sexualized areas like her arms, lower back, legs, and neck. This builds arousal subtly and helping her focus on the sensual experience rather than goal-driven sex. Use your mouth creatively. Bring your lips and tongue into the mix through deep kissing or gentle oral stimulation. Explore her body with your mouth, but don't get overly goal-oriented. The journey matters more than the destination. Get creative with positions. Switch positions frequently to create variety and new sensations. Move her body into new angles that target fresh areas. The novelty keeps her mind engaged. Set a sexy atmosphere. Light candles, put on music, use textured sheets, or anything else that engages the senses and makes sex feel like an escape from the everyday. This ambience pulls her into the erotic moment. As you can see, arousing a woman deeply requires understanding the female mindset. Nurture emotional intimacy and use effective mental buildup first. Pay attention to cues about what excites her. Then complement this mental process with creative, teasing, sensual touch. While every woman has unique preferences, these tips offer a blueprint. True masters of arousal can adapt their approach to each partner. With an empathetic, attentive style focused on the journey over the destination, you'll unlock new levels of female passion and satisfaction. If you've liked our dating tips, be part of our community by subscribing for more helpful advice. Don't forget to hit like and share your experiences in the comments. Your support means a lot. For those wanting to do a little extra, consider giving a super thanks. Your contributions help us create more content for our fantastic audience. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we're looking forward to seeing you in our next video.